haven't posted in 3 days. I'm pretty sure it's 3. But finally, we're gonna be doing a video. Yeah. Look. We have the Scooby-Doo pack with. Obviously, we got Scooby, the little minion guys, the other little minion that, I forget his name. I forget the Superman's name. And then Dick and yeah, them guys and Shaggy, obviously. Just gonna get it open. It looks like a cool set. Yeah, sorry I haven't posted in a while. Really sorry, but we're back to posting anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna review 2 again. So we got first one is got Dick. Really cool. I am Dick. Yeah. Dick's a nickname for Richard or something. So that's what they call him in the film. Cool figure. Cool figure. Some nice old man details. I don't even think he's old though. So the main guy, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where is you? I want to put this somewhere good so you can see the whole figure. So at first we had Richard, Scooby. Really cool. He had his superhero suit on and everything. Golden back boots. Doggy tail. Does it move? It moves. I'm going to be doing some Lego videos also. So I got some more like that. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing lots. Spent lots of money on Lego and only been buying a couple. I've only bought a couple since then. I got this for Christmas. Chain. Got a whole bunch of these guys. Oh yeah. Okay, he's not one, so we're just gonna get into the next one. Scooby-Doo in his sick outfit. Look at his cute Scooby-Doo. What type of breed is he? I don't know. I don't actually know. No. There's goes to that way. So the evil little guy. It's the evil one. And they were like, oh, I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna get you. I was like, come here, Scooby, I'm gonna get you. Ah! Ball. Yeah, zoink, Scoops, let's run. What am I doing? Yeah. There's a little guy. The little one. Scoobs! Yay. Yeah. It's Hoover. It's Hooverhead. Also known as a good guy. Hoover. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Closer to me, ching chong. Yeah. Ooh, Shaggy fell out the box. Scooby Dooby Doo, I'm gonna kill you. Look at him. Zoink, Scoops, we gotta go. He has a beard. No shaggy figures. Like, look, all the cartoons. None of them look like the real film's hair. Look at this hair. It looks like he's wearing a hat. Yeah. Finally, we have the main superhero. I don't know his name. Yeah, I don't know his name because... Yeah, I literally have no idea what his name is. Falcon things. I'm going to try and get his name and I'll get back to you when I find it. Okay, it's Blue Falcon. We have Blue Falcon. Yeah, my Blue Falcon. Yeah. Yeah. So that was a cool unboxing. First unboxing I have ever done. Ever. Nice. Yeah. 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 What's poppin'? Do you want a second review or so? No. I don't even want it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna eat your brains out. Innit, bro? I'm gonna eat your brains out. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Wow. Wow. Nom. I just ate my own, whatever it's called. Tony Stark. Meow. Her hair is kind of curly. Her hair is kind of curly, whirly. Her hair is kind of curly, whirly. Yeah. 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 I've also got a Pepsi can. What's poppy? I've got 2 Pepsi cans in this house. I've got 2 Pepsi cans. And a Dr. Pepper. Oh. And also, will you marry me and subscribe? It was worth a shot. Will you marry me? The way to say yes is subscribe and like and view and watch and subscribe again. Yeah. And watch all my other videos and like them. There you go. On it. If you want it, subscribe. It's not an actual giveaway. It is real. That is real. Will you subscribe to the channel? I actually can't do it anymore. I literally yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say bye to you. Unicorn. Unicorn. Manchester City. Yeah. Bro! I have the perfect idea for the next video. A robot fight. I got robots that can battle. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you today if I can. I'm gonna show you today that I can. I'm gonna show you today. Yeah. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Please do not say that I have not uploaded because I don't like YouTube anymore. Because I do like YouTube and it's been Christmas. Who does not? Who would post every single second of their life on Christmas? I should have done it on Christmas. I just didn't have enough time. I know like everyone like has, but I just can't. I just couldn't. But yeah. Peace.